The OnePlus 9 is here, and in this video, we'll be taking a look at some of its great and not so great things. Now, we've already done this summary style video for the OnePlus 9 Pro, so if you missed that, make sure you check it out and make sure you keep an eye out for our full reviews. This phone's display is very good. It's a 6.55-inch 1080p OLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate. It's got a hole punch cutout up top, and it is completely flat unlike the 9 Pro and last year's OnePlus 8. It goes without saying that this display is nice to look at and use. It's crisp and colorful, and there are a nice selection of adjustments that you can make so that it looks and performs the way you want it to. As you should know, OnePlus phones are known for their performance, and with these specs, there's no doubt the OnePlus 9 will continue that trend. It's very fast, very smooth, and very powerful in pretty much every aspect. It'll handle everything you put it through, all the games, all the apps, all the multitasking, everything. It's nice not having to spend $1,000 to get flagship level performance. The OnePlus 9 comes equipped with an insane 65-watt charging capability, which, according to OnePlus, is good enough to charge your phone from 0 to 100% in just under half an hour. This is perfect for those moments when you need some extra juice and you don't have a lot of time to be tethered to a wall outlet or even a power bank. And it's great that you actually get the wall adapter with the phone, so you can take advantage of this out the box. The 9 may not have the same 50-watt wireless charging capability that the Pro has, but it can still wirelessly charge at 15 watts, which is definitely not bad at all. Say what you want about the hype surrounding the Hasselblad partnership. I think the OnePlus 9 has some really good cameras. From the excellent color calibration, the Pro mode, being able to shoot 12-bit DNG RAW files, to the minimal distortion in the upgraded ultra-wide lens, and the video shooting capabilities. There's a lot to like here. What these cameras produce can absolutely keep up with the competition in most ways. While it's not the only game in town, the OnePlus 9 offers great value starting at $729. With everything that I've already mentioned, in addition to everything else it has to offer, especially on the software side of things with Oxygen OS, this phone provides more than enough for average consumers and enthusiasts alike. It offers a really nice blend of power and features for what you're paying. Before we move on to the not so great things, I just wanted to give a shout out to this video sponsor, Dbrand. They make all kinds of awesome looking skins for all kinds of devices, and I've been using them on a ton of my different devices, especially phones with glossy backs. I can't stand smudges and fingerprints. You can check out all of their skins, you can check out their cases and screen protectors using the very first link down below. So for the not so great stuff, we're back at the cameras. Unfortunately, the main camera does not have optical image stabilization and instead sports just electronic stabilization. There's no telephoto lens within this camera array, which takes away from the overall camera experience versatility. And there are some other intangibles like image processing that may not be to everyone's liking. You can read more details about the cameras in our full written review by Ryan, and it's linked below. Just like the 9 Pro, the 9's fingerprint scanner is in a not so great spot. It's not something you can't get used to, but it will require a little shimmy or some adjustment depending on how you hold your phone in order to get the perfect scan. Ryan pointed out that the 8T's scanner is 26mm from the edge, whereas the 9 and 9 Pros are just 7mm from the bottom. It's very interesting. Another interesting thing about the 9 is that its frame is plastic. The back is still made of glass, but the plastic frame does take a little away from the premium feel it could have had. I can't exactly label the phone cheap feeling, but it is noticeable and you won't experience that nice cold feel you get with a metal frame. It's not the end of the world, but it is worth mentioning. Unfortunately, OnePlus has become notorious for how they handle software updates, and like I said in the 9 Pro video, OnePlus's commitment of 2 years of OS updates, 3 years of security updates, security patches every 2 months, and overall inconsistency and not the highest quality of updates doesn't exactly make for a great track record. This is definitely something to think about when getting a OnePlus device, and hopefully OnePlus can improve things with updates moving forward. If you're on AT&T and you're hoping for 5G, I've got some bad news for you. OnePlus has confirmed that these new phones will not work with the 5G network from AT&T. Now you're good if you're on T-Mobile, and support on Verizon is confirmed. It's worth noting this if you're looking for 5G, especially as 5G performance sees improvement because, well, it will at some point. If you don't care for 5G, then you're good. Just keep this in mind. Make sure you keep an eye out for more coverage of both the OnePlus 9 and the 9 Pro, and make sure you check out our full written reviews of both phones linked below. Be sure to leave a like if you enjoyed the video and subscribe if you're new to the Android Police channel with post notifications turned on. It's been Zach, I'll talk to you guys later, and thanks for watching.